Hello again, my name is Rodney Reynolds and this is yet another video review. Today I will be looking at M System's DiscOnKey. This is the 16 megabyte version. This is the product. Of course, this is the box it comes in, and it does come with a manual. And of course, this product is compatible with Windows or Macintosh. You have some stickers here which you can apply to your DiscOnKey just to identify it as to what particular information is on it. These come in three versions currently: the 8 megabyte, the 16 megabyte, and the 32 megabyte. Of course, the more information that you can store upon these, in my opinion, the better. However, when this device starts to get over 64, 128 megabytes, you're probably going to see these things getting into the USB 2 due to the slow transfer rates on these. I'll show you the transfer rates on these a little later. I'll go over a few more things here on this. Of course, this is the sheath which goes over the top of this device, like so. It's very simple to slip on and slip off. And this is a little bit of a concern for me. I'm not quite sure why they mounted the ring here, which your keys, or which is supposed to be hung upon, is actually here. Because if, for instance, this was to come off, you would lose the important part of the device. Why not have this mounted over here at the end, so if you were to lose this part, it would be really, it wouldn't matter, and you would have your data here. So that's a little bit of a concern for me. I think that this should have been designed a little different in that respect. However, overall, this device is very, very useful. It's very functional and very easy. Again, you can plug this into a Macintosh, your laptop, if your laptop has USB, and of course your personal computer system. It's very simple. Install it without any drivers in most cases, pop it in and pop it out. Certainly using it upon Windows XP, you do not need to have any drivers. You just install, transport the data, and remove it, and then plug it into the other systems, or just use it for storage. Let me now show you and plug this into my laptop and my personal computer system to show you how simple this actually is. Okay, I'll show you the laptop here first. Of course, it's as simple as just plug it in and that's it. And of course, here we go, plug it in. And of course, on here you'll see that it's installing a new hardware. And once it is plugged in and functioning correctly, you'll see a green light that flashes on the unit. And once it is installed, you'll see a new hard drive actually created on your computer system. Here you can see it's popping in and out here. It will stay once the device is permanently installed here, and you can see it'll pop up in Windows XP and show you the contents of it. Now I can close this down here and go back to here. For instance, if I click here, and go Properties, it will show me the amount of drive space on this particular drive, and as you can see here, it is 16 megabytes. This is of course the 16 megabyte device. And of course, to copy things over, it's very simple. All you would do is just right click upon a drive or a file, and of course just copy it over. So just, let's say I want to copy this file, right click, copy, or I could just move it over, and of course once I'm on that drive I can just right click and paste, and of course there's your file. Very quick, very fast, certainly much faster and having much more storage than a floppy device. Let's now plug this into my personal computer system and show you how that's done. This is the back of my computer system. Of course, it looks like a lot of other computer systems in the back. You normally have two USB ports here as an example. Of course, you can plug the device into either one of these, and I will do that now. And once it is installed, again, the light will glow, telling you that it is installed correctly and operational. Now, as for performance, you can see here, this is the current drive. This is the DiscOnKey 16 megabyte, getting a score of 772. You look at Jazz 1 gigabyte, 2500. And if you look at, for instance, a zip drive, only 580. You look at a standard floppy drive, 1.44, 60. You look at a floppy 1.2 megabyte, and you get a score of 55. So certainly a major jump from a floppy disk to a device like this, and even a jump from a zip drive to this device. Overall, an excellent product here from M Systems. Of course, these USB products, these devices in particular, are becoming more and more popular by more and more companies. A few companies now have them out in 64 and above versions, which is very, very useful, and certainly you can transport more data with larger megabyte versions. M Systems right now have three versions: the 8 megabyte, the 16 megabyte, and the 32 megabyte. Now, of course, they will be coming out with higher versions of this for obvious reasons. And I suspect in the future, when you get above 128, you'll be going USB 2 for the transfer rates, which would be much better. Of course, you would need it transferring more data. Overall, I give this product an 8.5 out of 10. Very functional, very useful, easy to get in, easy to install, easy to remove. It's very simple to transport your data. It makes it so easy and so convenient. So again, an 8.5 out of 10 for this product. Again, my name is Rodney Reynolds, and this has been another video review. Be sure to check back in 4 days. I will have a brand new one for you then. Also check out my website at www.3dgameman.com, and while you're there, check out our forums. Until the next time, take care.